Hello, welcome to Lambwire.com. This is a brief introduction on what the site is intended for and what it looks like. It's an online church, a digital age church, where there is no pastor or denomination. It's just basically a place where you can look up sermons, talk about things, share your stories and testimonies, warn other people about subtle woke things that have been kind of corrupting the church. Documents such as the Bible, the Apocrypha is in there too, other things people can see, but other religions too. It's good to be well informed. News, you can share your thoughts and ideas on news. You can share stories that maybe affect the church as a whole. Talk about your prayer requests. You can even share things on homeschooling. Let's look into this page real quick. Co-ops, what curriculum you're using, what events there are around you. This is why you add your zip code in the join page, because some events are going to be on the other side of the country and you'd want ones that are just nearby you. Sports, same thing. Social groups, because that's a big concern for the homeschool. There's community is the social aspect. Extracurricular activities. I'm logged in right now, so I would be able to contribute to these things. I name the organization, type what title will go under, then I create it, and I can add Bible references to whatever I create in this whole website. Discussions is going to be the main focus of the site. You can go to all and see what people are talking about and what they're wondering about and what questions they have. This person's talking about the spiritual world, and somebody commented on it, and I can comment too. I can write a test comment. I can type in a Bible reference. Let's just pick anything random here. There's always a 1, so I can make sure that one happens. Well, it's got an interesting one to add all of a sudden. So I'm going to add that to my comment, post the comment, and there's my comment. And that's my name, the time it was left. I can delete it. I can look at the test. I can delete the comment. Yep, I'm sure I want to delete it. So it's pretty simple to use. A lot of big fonts for anybody who's a little bit older and has time seeing things. This was made for a general population. For my grandmother down to my kids would be able to use this. When you're logged in, you don't have to type in an email or phone number. We already have that. So you just say, hey, I want to shout out to you. I want to look for more info. I'm curious about something. I have site suggestions. I want to suggest other things for other topics. Suggest a new prayer request topic, and is it woke or homeschool, or you just need some help with the site. So that's something you can do in contact page. And our about page just shows you the goal and the mission and our terms of service, our privacy policy, and how we make money. And the answer is basically we don't, which is fine, because the site was made very cheaply by one software engineer who volunteered his time, and our monthly payment hasn't gone up much for electricity, and the URL is the only thing we pay for, and that's about $3 a year, so I think we can afford that. When you first log in, it might be a little scary, like when are they going to ask my credit card, or when are they going to ask for money? The answer is never. The whole login is this page. And we explain why we ask for all these different things. Why your last name, first name. A lot of it has to do with just making sure you're a real person and you're not some robot making a lot of users. You're not going to use it for malicious activity. All this data just stays on our server. It never gets sold to anybody ever. And there's never advertisements on the entire site. So there's no cookies keeping track of what you look at. The cookies only keep track of your sessions, so you don't have to keep logging in and out. That's literally the only thing we keep track of, is this big number that helps us secure the site. We ask for your passwords. And a lot of people aren't looking to get anything from this site because there's no other information besides this, and all this is already publicly available about you, whoever you are. So I have read terms of service. You have to click the box. After you read them, you read the terms of service, and our privacy policy, and then you text me the join code. That means this cell phone number you put here gets a 5-digit number or 4 or 6-digit number that you just put back into the website, and then you're logged in. And then you go to the home page and you can start your sermons. You can upload videos for your sermons. You can start your story. You can read about other people's news or discussions. It's pretty simple. It's made to be very simple. It's made not to be very flashy. And you should never ever see an advertisement on it. This is not meant to make money. It's the church. It's not a business. It's just a place to come and talk to each other. And some of these discussions might get heated. You might have people have really different ideas, and that is literally the point of this site, is for us to refine each other, to change how each other think, so that we can come to agreement on what truth is and how it affects our lives. Sex before marriage might be a big one. There's some random ones like customer service and where do we go from here, and you can talk about politics, and that's going to be a little heated, I bet, for a lot of people. But I hope everyone can come and join and see how it works, and we can start to have good talks. And that's it. All right. Thank you very much.